So this is outdoors at the Harmony Mountain House on this lovely foggy day. And if we go this way, you can see the yurts peeking through the trees. Here's the camping space. Fire circle. 2 of the 3 yurts. There'll be 3 set up. And just these beautiful woods with walking trails. And then the porch over here has seating area and the hot tub. So from the outside, to get down to the retreat space, to the studio, I should say, where our work will be happening, you go down lovely patio stairs. Through this lovely garden. Then the entrance to the studio from the outside.